Look at it's like dishwashing liquid. Awesome.
Yum yum.
Why did I do that?
Alright, ooh baby just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic.
Good morning guys, it is 8:45. We have had a really relaxing morning in bed. Got up at about 7:30, but Leonie was still asleep until now. I thought we'd better get her up now, otherwise she'll just keep sleeping. And we've got things to do today. Good morning, my princess. Good morning, beautiful. So get a nappy change. Did you have a good night? Did you have a good night? Are you still tired? Oh, well you didn't have much of a night yesterday, hey?
Good afternoon, guys. Happy Sunday. We're just at the park at the moment. We've just finished off doing some recording, ready for our Wednesday vlog. So it's the footage that we actually lost the other day. So it's just a quick video. So we've just had to re-record. It's actually not as windy today, but it is still windy. So hopefully the footage turned out fine. It should be alright. I'm a little bit sick at the moment, which is annoying. Just got a bit of a sore throat, a bit of a cough. So Ashley and I are off to the chemist now and going to go and get something for this cough. Ashley also needs to pick up her diabetes supplies, I suppose. So yeah.
Alrighty guys, we are in Woolies. Yes, we do a click and collect, but we always forget things.
Like butter.
So we are heading to get some butter. Ernie's in the big girl trolley.
Where's the butter in it? Oh,
There, right in front of you.
where?
Right there.
Not the big one. Oh, there.
Oh, right there, in front of you. Ernie's in the big girl trolley. I didn't bring the cover because I don't think we needed it. I just wiped it down. So she's all germ free, hopefully. Bub. Is that the good butter? Is that the good butter? Are you dancing? Alright, so we got our butter. We have just gotten a drink. I got Pepsi Max. And Daniel got, too busy bobbing his head, he got a mother. So after the shops we're going to head off to Bunnings to go and get some blower, because I do not like vacuuming, sweeping out the garage because it's just full of grass, so I'm going to blow it all out. And while we're there we're going to get a sausage sizzle because I have cash on me for once. Every time we come to Woolies we get a nana, and sometimes we forget, but somebody doesn't let us. So it says nana. Yummy nana. Alrighty guys, we just got in the car and Dan needs to take his cough medicine.
Look at it's like dishwashing liquid. Awesome.
Yum yum.
Why did I do that? It's yummy. The aftertaste is yummy.
What does it taste like?
I don't know, it's like lime.
Oh, it's green. We got Oni in the back seat there. She's been a good girl. We're going to go to Bunnings quick and get a sausage sizzle and a blower, and then she's going to go home and have a nap. Alrighty, so 2 seconds later, Dan's feeling a lot better. His voice feels better, but
My tongue is numb.
And now he won't be able to taste the sausage sizzle. So I said, oh, okay, no sausage sizzle for you.
No, by then I'll be better. My tongue will be better by then. And if it's not, I'm not gonna tell you.
Alrighty guys, he's already dug in. We are hungry. We haven't eaten since sometime this morning. So yeah, sausage sizzle. Sausages up.
No, I've already half eaten mine.
You suck. Amy's had her lunch, so she don't get sausage. Although if she sees it, I'm sure she would want it. Oh, and she has. We're in trouble.
Alright, so we're upstairs at Bunnings, finally finished our sausage. Let's go and have a look at some barbecues. Go and see the one that we want. I want this one here. I don't think Ashley will let me get it. It's awesome. Check that out. It's really expensive though, for what you get. It's only a 2-burner. So we got this one. It's a 6-burner with the side thing.
Side wok.
Yep. The wok burner on the side. Over there. And yeah, it's got the 2 grill plates and then the 1 flat one. But we'll probably look at buying another flat one.
Yeah, and hopefully without this, because I like it this, I don't like this, and I don't like that.
Well, it's alright, your food can just go there.
Yeah.
That's fine, I don't mind the lines. So this one... So this one here is like $50 more expensive. And it's all stainless steel. And harder to keep clean. But I prefer this one, it looks just cleaner. It's like black and it's just nice. So we'll probably also look at, in the future, probably getting like a pizza oven sort of thing, like this. Like this one here. So we can do pizzas on our barbecue.
We haven't looked at vacuums yet, blowers yet.
Yeah, we still haven't looked at blowers yet, but we're getting ready to buy this barbecue this week sometime. So that'll probably happen Wednesday or Thursday. I would love one of these, but Ashley convinced me not to get one. To get all of that all set up needs to be a lot more expensive, although that's only $200, so it might actually end up being cheaper to buy that. But whatevs. What happened to your shoe, Papa? Did you kick it off?
Threw it under the table, under the pram.
It's in the under the pram.
So we just got back to the car, and as tradition, only got a balloon. Oh, there it goes. Thank you, Daddy.
Dunk, dunk, dunk. Dunk, dunk, dunk.
Oh, okay then, no more. Alright guys, we just got home. Just put Oni down for a nap because she needs one. She doesn't want one, but she needs one. Just ripped my nail. Focus. Not that you guys are probably interested in that, but I did. And it's annoying because my hair's getting caught in it. So yeah, we are home. And now it's time to get down to business and do some things. Dan's gonna mow the back lawn. I'm gonna sleep at the garage. And I gotta do something with that mattress.
Now this is the real reason why we went to Bunnings. Ta-da! But we got, as usual, got distracted by everything else. So let's get this thing together. If I can get it open.
You gonna throw the instructions again and then go back to get them?
Oh no, I do need that. It's got screws in it.
Alrighty guys, it is bath time for Leonie. Yeah. Anything else you want to say, sweet? Well, that's all, folks. Okay, Mommy, get it. Yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, since we've had the numbers, I've been trying to make a game of it, try to teach Leonie how to count. So she passes me a number, I stick it on the side of the bath, and I usually like do the shape of it. So if it's like a 5, I'll be like, okay, so you go across the top, and then at the left side you go down and then move it around, and then I like count with my hands, my fingers, and yeah, she enjoys it, she likes to do it. She always passes me numbers once I've dumped them in the water. Okay, Leonie, can you pass Mummy a number? Leonie? Ta, thank you. We popped it on the side because it's all wet, so it sticks. Somebody's gonna have some dinner. Ready? Yum, 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 yum. She's just having a bit of pasta and pasta sauce for dinner, guys. It's one of her favourites. She's a hungry girl at the moment. Whoops. I've been a little bit more lenient with her, like feeding herself, but tonight I'll just do it myself because she's really hungry and it'll get a little bit messy, but I can put food on her fork and pass it to her and she will put it into her mouth. I've been teaching her to scoop up her food, or like, you know, put her fork in her food to eat dinner or lunch, depending on what we're having and what we're doing and whatever. So yeah, she's getting there. And just like that, we have one happy Baba. She's nice and full, being all silly now with her glasses. She had a yummy dinner. Yeah, yummy, yummy dinner. Yeah, you put your glasses on. Almost. Almost, darling. Oh, you don't eat them.
Alright, guys. My throat is feeling a bit better, but it could be even better again. I've taken some more of the cough medicine, which apparently, according to the bottle, is supposed to taste like grenadine. Tastes nothing like grenadine. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully in a couple of days I'll be feeling better. So, made myself some tea with, what is it, lemon and ginger in it, in my Darth Vader mug. Ashley got that for me for my 30th birthday, and I absolutely love it, even though it's a little bit dinted, but it's well used and shows how much I love it. Over here we've got Leonie, who should be in bed, but is not. Ta-da! And we've got Ashley, she's all nice and warm underneath the blanket and getting some cuddles.
Yeah, 2-second cuddles.
2-second cuddles. She doesn't want to go to bed. We've tried twice. She had a bit of a whinge. I thought I might leave it, but the entire time Ashley was in the shower, she was just crying and crying and crying. Got in there and she's in the corner of her cot crying to her blanket. So that's not very good. So I got her out over there and brought her out here, and then she was happy as Larry. Surprise, surprise.
She should be sleeping. They haven't had much of a nap today.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she should be sleeping. Definitely. She hasn't had much of a nap this whole weekend, actually.
Yeah.
I think I got a little bit sunburnt today.
I feel like I got a bit sunburnt.
Just seeing myself, yeah. That's that 2 hours that we spent in the park, which is going to come out on Wednesday, so that's the replacement for the video that we lost.
Sort of.
Yeah. Alright, and on that note, I think we'll call it a night here. So give us a like if you like what you saw. A kind comment down below would be great. Also, we just noticed that we've got 131 subscribers, so thank you very much to all of those people who have subscribed. It means the world to us that, I don't know, 131 people want to watch what we put out every, twice a week. So yeah, I don't know, kind of makes me happy. You're not happy, Papa? Alright, and subscribe if you're new and bump that number up a bit. That would be fantastic. And we will see you on Thursday morning. Alright, bye!